What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another Jumanji Drew Automotive. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to change the cabin air filter on a Kia Optima. Now this is for the years of 2011 all the way up to 2014. It's a very easy process, and I'm just going to go and show you guys exactly what to do. Now this may vary by model, but for my cabin air filter for the STP, which I purchased at AutoZone, it's the CAF 1817P. So that might be the same for yours. My model is a 2013. Just double check when you go in the book that it shows you the different air filters on what it is for your vehicle, so you make sure you have the right one. So what you want to do to begin with is, once you have the air filter purchased, all you want to do is go to the passenger seat, and in your glove compartment you're just going to press the button over here. And then there's a few things that you just need to disassemble and take off. So these little knobs right here, there's one on each side, and there's also this black little lever that's holding it up. You want to remove all those. You want to make it so that the glove box falls down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this counterclockwise, and I'll take that one out. That's one right there. And then the other one I will also do counterclockwise, and boom, it falls down a little bit. But now, to get it to fall down all the way, all you simply have to do is move the black little lever, and bam, it falls. So you have this little mat right here that's on the back of it, and then right over here, if you guys can see that, it's gray, a little gray compartment where the air filter goes. And all you simply want to do, there's these two little clamps right there. You just open that up, and you can take this off, and there you go, that is off. So there is that, and there is the air filter, and it looks pretty dirty. So it's a good thing that we're going to change this today, and it's a very easy process. So all you want to do is go ahead and remove that, and it is completely black. So if yours looks like this, and if you just want to double check to see what it looks like, just make sure to take it out and see what it looks like. But that is going to the trash, and yeah, that is pretty dirty. So now we have the new one here, and we're going to take that out. This is the brand new one, and you guys can see the difference between the old one and the new one. So that one's really dirty, and this one's brand new and clean. So all you simply have to do is just pop it in there. Just pop it in. Just get it to slide in as you took out the other one. And before you do that, just make sure that it's not really dirty in there. And as long as that's good to go, just go ahead, pop in the new one, and that is it. It's that easy, it's that simple. And then you just go ahead and close this back up. Close that back up. It's a little hard working with one hand, but yeah, so that's all closed up, and you got the new air filter in there. And then all you simply want to do is just go ahead and take that black little lever and just pop that back into place. It just slides right into there. And then you want to take the knobs, you want to push up a little bit, and all you simply want to do is turn it clockwise for one, and then the other. Just want to slide that in there into the grooves as it was before. And you're also going to turn that clockwise as well. And once you do that, it's clockwise, and that's absolutely it. And that's how you change the air filter on a Kia Optima from the years 2011 to 2014. It's very easy, and just make sure you guys do this if you have an old air filter that needs to be changed. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.